Throughout history, humanity has sought protection and wisdom from the earth itself. From ancient kings to shamans, sacred stones have been revered as powerful guardians against darkness. Today, we reveal 10 legendary stones so powerful, even demons fear them. Join me as we journey across continents and through time to uncover the myths, rituals and secrets behind these ancient sentinels. Our exploration begins now, into a world where the stones beneath our feet hold the power to shape destinies and repel the shadows. Our quest begins with the legendary Philosopher's Stone, the ultimate prize sought by generations of alchemists. For centuries, it has captured the imagination of those who dared to dream of transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. Said to turn base metals into gold, the stone symbolized not just unimaginable wealth, but also the profound journey of spiritual transformation. It represented the hope that anyone could rise above their humble beginnings and achieve greatness. Legends claim it held the elixir of life, granting immortality, perfect health, and the promise of endless vitality. The stone was believed to be the key to conquering death itself, a dream that has fascinated humanity for ages. But perhaps its greatest power was protection. Its pure, radiant essence created an aura that repelled all evil, shielding its possessor from harm and darkness. Demons and dark spirits could not approach, driven back by the stone's incorruptible nature. It was said to be a force that no darkness could withstand. The stone became a symbol of ultimate wisdom, enlightenment, and mastery over the very laws of the universe. It was the pinnacle of alchemical achievement. Figures like Nicholas Flamel were rumored to have unlocked its secrets, fueling centuries of obsession, mystery, and relentless pursuit among scholars and seekers. The Philosopher's Stone stands as a beacon, teaching that true power lies not in material riches, but in inner purity, enlightenment, and the courage to seek higher truths. Its legend endures as the ultimate shield against darkness, a symbol of hope and protection in a world often shadowed by uncertainty. Even in myth, the Philosopher's Stone remains a testament to humanity's eternal quest for salvation, transformation, and the light that guides us through the unknown. Forged in the heart of volcanic fire, where Earth's raw energy meets the sky, a remarkable stone is born. Black obsidian is more than just a stone. It is a mirror to the soul, reflecting our deepest truths and hidden shadows. It is also a window to other realms, a mystical portal that invites us to peer beyond the veil of the ordinary. The ancient Aztecs revered this volcanic glass as Itztli, a sacred material linked to the powerful god Tezcatlipoca, the smoking mirror, who was believed to see all destinies. Obsidian mirrors were used for scrying, gazing into the unknown for visions, answers, and glimpses of the future, connecting the physical and spiritual worlds. Its power lies in absorbing and dissolving negative energy, acting as a psychic vacuum that cleanses the aura and protects the spirit. Warriors crafted razor-sharp weapons from obsidian, believing its edge could sever not only flesh, but also the ties that bind the soul, making it a tool of both war and magic. Shamans wielded obsidian knives in sacred rituals, using them to cut psychic cords and free people from spiritual parasites or lingering attachments. This volcanic glass forces us to confront our inner darkness, stripping away illusions and removing the footholds that demons and negative forces seek within us. Obsidian grounds the soul, anchoring us firmly to the earth while allowing safe spiritual exploration, balancing the physical and metaphysical. It absorbs darkness into its infinite blackness, a silent, unyielding guardian that stands watch over our spirit, never faltering. Born from the planet's raw, untamed power, obsidian stands as a profound shield against evil, a timeless protector forged by the earth itself. Lapis lazuli, with its mesmerizing deep blue hue and shimmering golden flecks, has captivated the imagination of humanity for thousands of years, inspiring awe and reverence across cultures and ages. Treasured by the ancient Egyptians, this mystical stone was more than a precious gem. It symbolized the vast night sky, serving as a bridge between the mortal world and the divine realm, a link to the gods themselves. Deeply associated with Ma'at, the revered goddess of truth and cosmic order, lapis lazuli was believed to possess the power to reveal deception, inspire honesty, and uphold justice in the hearts of those who wore it. The true power of lapis lazuli lies in its unwavering connection to absolute truth, dispelling illusions, exposing evil intentions, and illuminating the path of righteousness for all who seek its guidance. Demons and dark forces which thrive on lies and deceit are unmasked and rendered powerless in the presence of this sacred stone, their shadows banished by its radiant energy. Lapis lazuli protected pharaohs both in life and in death, ensuring their safe passage through the treacherous underworld and granting them the wisdom to rule with fairness and clarity. For the living, it was a key to spiritual awakening, opening the third eye, enhancing psychic abilities, and creating a powerful shield of truth around the mind and soul. Lapis lazuli is not a weapon of war, but a beacon of enlightenment, strengthening the spirit, revealing both inner and outer truths, and guiding seekers towards self-discovery and authenticity. In its celestial depths, no lie can survive. Its presence purifies thoughts and intentions, leaving only what is genuine and pure. It is the stone of the enlightened mind, a fortress against deception, a guardian of wisdom, and a timeless symbol of the pursuit of truth. Bloodstone, or heliotrope, is a deep green stone flecked with red, its legend rooted in sacrifice. Medieval lore claims it was stained by Christ's blood at the crucifixion, imbuing it with divine power. It became a holy relic, believed to repel demons and evil spirits with the force of sacred sacrifice. Warriors carried it for courage and protection. Healers used it for purification. Bloodstone grounds the spirit in noble courage, making the bearer unassailable to fear and darkness. It is a symbol of strength born from selfless love. In its presence, evil is reminded of its ultimate defeat. Amethyst, with its royal violet hues, has long been a symbol of clarity and spiritual protection. Ancient Greeks believed it could ward off intoxication of body, mind, and spirit. Amethyst promotes calm, focus, and freedom from obsession, guarding against spiritual attack. Its clarity of mind is a shield, turning away negative influences and demonic temptations. Worn by bishops and seekers, it transforms negativity into loving energy. Amethyst is the guardian of the mind, offering peace and steadfast defense against darkness. In a world of distractions, it stands as a violet sentinel of clarity and protection. Jade, revered in Chinese culture as the stone of heaven, symbolizes purity, wisdom, and divine connection. Believed to absorb negative energy, jade is said to break to protect its wearer from harm. It promotes love, harmony, and emotional balance, fortifying the heart against fear and despair. Jade burial suits were crafted for royalty, believed to protect the spirit in the afterlife. Its durability became a metaphor for the unbreakable spirit. Jade harmonizes energies, shielding body, heart, and soul from misfortune and malevolence. To wear jade is to carry ancient wisdom and a gentle, steadfast guardian. Sapphire, a gem of celestial blue, has long been linked to divinity, wisdom, and prophecy. Ancient cultures believed it channeled the power of the heavens, offering protection and favor. Worn by royalty, it was a talisman against harm, treachery, and dark magic. Its pure energy was thought to neutralize poison, both physical and spiritual. Sapphire enhanced intuition, but always with a shield of divine protection. It is a royal guardian, aligning its wearer with celestial energies and shielding against evil. To possess a sapphire is to be under the watchful eye of heaven itself. Turquoise, with its sky blue hues, has been a sacred talisman across cultures. Native Americans saw it as a piece of the sky, a guardian stone that warned of danger by changing color. In Persia, it was worn to protect against unnatural death, believed to absorb harm and break in the process. Turquoise deflected the evil eye and promoted clear, truthful communication. It purified body and spirit, aligning the chakras and fostering inner peace. From Navajo silverwork to Tibetan amulets, turquoise has been a steadfast shield. It connects the wearer to the sky's protection and the earth's grounding power. To carry turquoise is to hold a timeless amulet of serene, powerful grace. Garnet, glowing like a burning ember, is famed as the traveller's stone. Carried by voyagers and warriors, it was believed to light up in darkness, warning of danger and guiding the way. Its fiery energy repelled demons and nightmares, ensuring peaceful sleep and safe passage. Garnet revitalizes and balances energy, inspiring courage and hope in desperate times. Its strength makes the spirit a difficult target for malevolent forces. Garnet is a fiery shield, actively empowering its wearer. Whether on a perilous road or in the depths of night, its red fire promises protection. It is a symbol of courage and the enduring strength of the human spirit. Hematite, with its metallic luster, is the embodiment of earthly strength and grounding. Ancient warriors believed it made them invincible, carrying the unyielding power of iron. Hematite absorbs and transmutes negativity, creating a protective field against ill wishes and psychic attacks. It grounds the spirit, dissolving worry and anxiety, and transforms weakness into resilience. Hematite is the stone of the mind, enhancing focus and concentration. It defends not with flash, but with unmovable presence. By grounding the spirit, it makes one sovereign and unshakable. Hematite is the iron will of the earth, a shield for all who carry it. Our journey through myth and mineral ends here. These 10 stones, each with unique legends, reflect humanity's enduring need for protection and hope. Whether their power is real or symbolic, their stories unite us across cultures and time. They remain steadfast guardians, their legends echoing through the ages. Thank you for joining this exploration of the Earth's ancient sentinels.